In my last couple of videos, I have been showing you that the market is bearish and that we are more likely headed down than up, at least in the immediate short term. The market is looking extremely bearish on all time frames, bigger time frames, smaller time frames. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly what is about to happen, most likely, and what you should do. So if you hold cryptocurrencies, any cryptocurrency for that matter, make sure you watch this video and stay into the end. You cannot miss anything that I have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that I make about cryptocurrency every single day. And also, if you love cryptocurrencies, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you are doing in the market right now. Are you buying? Are you selling? What are you doing? And if you want to get access to the most profitable trading community on all of the internet, go ahead and join my Patreon right now, where we call out new coins that launch and make crazy gains. We do day trade alerts for cryptocurrencies. We do a whole bunch of things to make you money in crypto, where you can even speak to me on the phone, where we can go over your current portfolio. And if you want to learn how to day trade cryptocurrencies, make a passive income with cryptocurrencies and technical analysis, go ahead and sign up for my video course. The link for that will be in my video description, milesginvestments.teachable.com. And don't forget to get your 2 free stocks from WEBULL worth up to $3,500. All you have to do is create an account with my link below. Deposit 1 penny and they will send you 2 free stocks worth up to $3,500. Make sure to get your free money from them. Now let's go ahead and dive straight into the content. So what we are seeing on CoinMarketCap is still more red. There is still more red out there. We have Terra Luna up 1%. Things are not looking pretty and they are continuing to go down. They're not stopping from going down. They're going down and holding a particular level and then going down and going down. That's what we are seeing. We are also trading sideways. And in addition to that, what we are seeing, the investor sentiment all around the world and online right now is very, very fearful. What we are seeing right now, ladies and gentlemen, is extreme fear. And when the market is showing us extreme fear and we are just staying at extreme fear, there's not a lot of buying happening. There's not a lot of volume. There's no excitement, especially with the retail investors, who are the people that really can drive these markets up and down and keep things sideways. And the retail investors are none other than me and you, the small and little guys. A lot of people, because things have been just red and crashing for just time and time again. There's flooded with shutdowns. There's a whole bunch of things out there causing fear of retail investors and Wall Street alike, these big whales and institutions. And when everyone is fearful, there is no buying. But there's going to be a time here very soon. These bearish markets and corrections don't last forever, and they generally don't last very long, especially because we are still in a bull run. Cryptos are still in a bull run, but within bull runs, within very bullish times, especially in the long run, there are many corrections, many dips, and things that can last a couple of months, sometimes even the past up to a year and even years. But the year-long and the several-year-long bear markets, I don't think are going to be happening anytime soon, with all the crazy adoption, the amount of people that are jumping into cryptocurrencies left and right every single day, breaking record numbers. The amount of people that are creating new wallets, joining into cryptocurrencies, are breaking new records every single day, every week, every month, and it is getting insane. And I show you guys in my videos all the time. Things are bullish behind the scenes. We have the supply shortage of cryptocurrencies. We have all these people buying cryptocurrency, adopting cryptocurrencies. But Myles, why are things still going down? Well, things are only going down just in the short term, because if we take a look at the chart, what we can see is, in September, August, we went all the way up from $40,000 all the way to $70,000 for Bitcoin, and that's just Bitcoin. What about Cardano? What about Shiba Inu? What about Dogecoin? Those cryptocurrencies were doing really well during that time, and we forget the green so easily when we are in the red. That's a normal thing to do. But diving into really what's actually happening to the market, we're going to be doing that right this moment. Now, we've had a couple of red days this week already. Really no green days at all, and also that has been happening with the stock market. So when the stock market is down for a couple of days, crypto market will be down for a couple of days as well. But the stock market generally isn't always red every single day. There's got to be green days, and there always is green days, usually every single week. Just like even when things are very bullish, there can't just be bullish days every single day, which happens, but usually even in the most bullish times, there's going to be a couple of red days. So in bearish times, there's got to be a couple of green days. So hopefully we can see some green that could actually help us in our current recovery, because we are in recovery mode. We ended up crashing significantly literally just last week, and we've bounced up since then, and we are still holding up a strong level of support. We are still holding up a strong consolidation range, which basically means we are a little bit higher than where we were last week, which is a good start. Now, what it's looking like is that the market is looking like it's headed back down to that big dip that we saw last week. It's a strong potential that that could happen for sure. And it's looking most likely that it is going to happen. That's the thing. That's why I sold most of my cryptocurrencies, because if we really zoom into the charts and see what's happening, we are still in this strong downtrend. Look, lower lows, lower highs, the zigzag is going down. A zigzag, cryptos don't just go straight up, they don't just go down. They move in a pattern, they move in a trend, and generally what you see is like a zigzag-like pattern. When we're in an uptrend, when things are bullish, the zigzag goes upwards with higher highs and then higher lows. But right now, what we are currently seeing is lower lows, meaning the lows continue to get lower and lower and so forth. Now, technical analysis allows us to see the change in the trend, the change of investor sentiment. And when that change happens from bearish to bullish or bullish to bearish, generally very big moves take place, as we always see. Because let me zoom out of this chart and show you. Look, whenever there's a major correction every time for the crypto market, look at this. Correction, things are trading sideways, things are crashing, people are panicking, the fear is just out there. And then boom, look at all of this green. Crazy, literally months green in a row. It happens every time. A correction, it lasts quite some time. People are panicking, it's fearful, are selling, they're trying to time the market. A lot of things are happening, and then boom, out of nowhere, green, like you've never seen it and expected it before. The green will come back, ladies and gentlemen. The green will come back, and give me a thumbs up if you agree with that. If you hold Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Ethereum, XRP, any cryptocurrencies in your portfolio that are good projects, they will recover. Because good projects always recover, and that's what makes a good project a good project. Now, the small little coins that come up here and there, thousands of them every single day, most of them, yes, they will pump up, they will have big gains, but most of them, 99.999% of them are pump and dumps. If you can get in early, if you can make some profits, that's awesome. Take your profits, get out of there, and put your money into some more stable projects like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu that have huge catalysts, major teams behind them. We talk about all these new coins that we're getting involved in, and we make lots of money. But if you hold these little coins forever that don't have true catalysts and aren't really good projects like some of the really big ones, you won't make any money. So the thing is, when you're in the market, when you're in a very volatile crypto, make sure you take your profits. Take half out, maybe take some more out, and let the rest ride out. What I personally do, my strategy, is whenever I buy a crypto, especially a new project, a small project, whenever it doubles or triples, generally what I do is I take out 50%, and then I let the rest ride out. And if it continues to go up, I'll take another 50%. Then eventually, based on how the trend is moving, what's happening, what I think is going to happen, I'll probably pull out and just put into another crypto and continue to move and make money. So that's personally what I do. That's how I make money in these markets. And as we see, even the market right now, yes, we're trading sideways. But the thing is, a lot of times, even when things are bearish, like I said, there can only be so many red days. Even when things are bearish, there's going to be green days. And so we know, if you were a technical trader, if you can understand the charts a little bit, which I do teach you in my course, you can know that when there are some green days, when we are trading in these small little consolidation ranges, whenever it pumps up a little bit, you can take your profits, pull out a little bit, let it go back down, and then put it back in. Once it reaches a bottom, you can see a particular support level or something. And then it goes back up, and you can pull again and keep trading these small little ranges. That's called swing trading. And that's another thing that we do in the Patreon and that I teach you in my course. So these are some strategies you can implement in this type of market. And the market right now is still very bullish. We are in a very, very strong downtrend, but there is a good case, a bullish case, that we could be very, very close to the bottom. And in my opinion, I'm thinking we are going to have another correction, maybe come down to this previous support level, or maybe go down another 10 to 15% max. That's my opinion. None of this is financial advice, just for entertainment purposes. And I think that would be the bottom, and then we would start to have a strong recovery. This year, I believe, is going to be a massive year for cryptocurrencies, where we are going to see some crazy gains. But the market has to get out of this correction, and things have to get started. And when they do get started, they are going to be crazy like we've never seen them before. Now, if you've gotten something out of this video so far, give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I do appreciate all your support. I appreciate all of your comments. I do read all of them. Sometimes I'm not able to get to all of them, but I do see them. So that's going to be it for today's video. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a wonderful night. Thank you.